This time I'm going to go a little quicker, okay? Open up. Go taller. Drop. Open. Drop. Open. Yeah, okay. And let your knee gently work, okay? Gently bounce. Keep your heads up, keep your spine straight, keep yourself upright, and use the gravity. Don't use your arm strength alone, okay? Use the gravity. Let it swing. And feel your balance. You want to stand on the ball of your foot, feel perfectly balanced, okay? So when your arms go up, you want to feel like your legs kicking. Kick them up, okay? Kick them up. Drop. Kick them up so that your whole body work together. Yeah, very nice. Okay, don't let your body bend like this. Okay, but don't let your body. Okay? Don't let your body should be straight all the time like this. Straight all the time.
But you bend your knees?
Bend your knees.
Okay.
But don't bend your body forward like this. Okay? That's not right. Straight, bend your knee. Yeah, keep body up straight. Good. Yeah, very good, very good. Very good. Okay, drop down.